Marketing on TikTok is one thing, but how do you make yourself go viral? Join us today for some great tips on how you can use TikTok to go viral and reach thousands, if not millions of viewers for your brand. Number 1, create your own authentic content. Even if your brand isn't well known yet, you can still use TikTok for marketing. You just need to plan great content and use these tips. Be authentic. Most TikTok users don't have access to expensive camera equipment or huge budgets. They create content with their smartphones, which is authentic to who they are. You should do the same with your own content. By showing your business's true personality, viewers will feel connected to you, which is a great way to build trust. The magic ingredients. The 2 things to include that generally lead to TikTok content going viral are pets and children. There's just more interest in watching funny or entertaining videos with children and animals. If you can find ways to incorporate these into your videos, you're onto a winning recipe for viral success. Remember, TikTok isn't the place for coming across as robotic and formal. It's a place to be unique, authentic, and entertaining to watch. Don't be overly professional in your videos. Have fun and be natural. This will give you the greatest chance of success. Number 2, put your own spin on successful content. You don't need to come up with new and unique content ideas for TikTok. Everything on the platform is based around community engagement and hashtags. In fact, this is the best way to get viral success. It's way easier to catch a trend and go viral than it is to start one. You can take part in hashtag challenges or trending dances for instant fun and engagement. Or if there's a specific trend that fits your niche, add your video to the mix. Remember, TikTok is a space for users and brands to have fun with trends, act silly and playful, and show another side of themselves. This isn't like any other platform, and you need to get it right if you ever want to go viral with your business on TikTok. Have a look around to see how other people are doing things. Then you'll be ready to put your own twist on these established trends and challenges and give yourself every chance of going viral. Number 3, make use of today's hit songs. Before TikTok became what it is today, it was an app where people could create lip-sync videos to popular songs. Lucky for us, TikTok kept this feature when it evolved into what we know today. It's almost like creating your own music video, and TikTok has almost every popular song available without copyright infringement issues. Neat! To add a song to your video, tap the Sounds button near the top of the recording screen. When the sound library opens, you can browse new releases, genres, trending playlists, and even video game theme music. You can favorite anything you like to come back to over and over. Choose the song you like from the library and then tap the red checkmark button to confirm your selection. After it loads, you return to the recording screen, and the song's name will be where the sounds icon used to be. Adding popular music to your videos will help capture the viewer's attention, which is the first hurdle to overcome if you want to go viral on TikTok. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and watch the next video to learn more.